Hello everyone, welcome to Team Developers channel, and today in this short video I will show you how to create or delete character in Valheim. So before starting video, if you are new on this channel, then hit subscribe button and let's start our video without wasting any time. So to make or delete character, just open Valheim and now just click on start game option. And here you have option of new or remove, so just click on new, and from here you can select your character from male or female. You can also adjust skin tone and more of your character. So as you are watching, you can also change name of the character. And after doing all this, just click on done. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video, hit like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.